this is the device, this is the setup, the 3D printed attachment that is sitting underneath the actual mobile phone here. You can imagine the camera of the mobile phone sits on that side. What you have in this attachment is actually two LED lights that sit facing the camera module. What you then do is to insert a sample slide into the sample holder, and then you basically use the camera module of the phone to take images of your sample. And if you zoom in, you can see these individual dots that show individual molecules amplified and analyzed through our technology.
DNA analysis technologies require instruments that require a lot of electricity power, a lot of, you have to put it into different infrastructure. This is self-operating. It's the only, there is not a single cord connected to it. So I think this is the major impact of this thing. So one can think of application in really remote areas all over the globe. You don't really need any infrastructure. What we envision is that you, after your microscopy test, to see whether you have tuberculosis bacteria, which you could actually be performing on this platform, you could do the genetic test to see whether the bacteria has the resistant genes or not for the antibiotics, and then you will be prescribed the antibiotic that will work on you. And then you save months of inefficient antibiotic treatment, during which you will be contagious and you will spread the disease to your family and friends.
This particular piece of research is one of a number of efforts that are being made to make it easier to diagnose tuberculosis as close as possible to where people seek care and treatment. And that's important not simply for convenience, but because we believe, World Health Organization believes, that about 1/3 of the people in the world who develop tuberculosis never get seen by a decent medical service that really knows what it's doing for diagnosis and treatment. Even $500 is quite a lot of money for medical services in really resource-poor areas. And I think that, they, as I understand, are still at a relatively early stage with the development of this technology.
we are connected in this world, and that means that we can really bring diagnostics into the world. And then the beauty is, of course, the connectivity, so that we can just upload images directly to the cloud, and experts that sit far away can analyze these images and actually do a diagnostic decision on that.